up, my boys? Today we have a big surprise for you.
On Instagram yesterday I put up a photo of the red bridge and I said there is a reason why I put up 3 bridges in a row on Instagram. And you guys, you had a lot of guesses because I said big news is coming up. You're planning on opening a restaurant next to Punto Final. You're going to build your house somewhere. Are you crossing the bridge to Caparica? You're going to vlog jumping off it.
I wish.
Not today. Classy lifestyle coming to an end. You're starting a new life under the bridge. None of these. Amalie, show them.
We are expanding our square meters because we are moving to another apartment. I'm sure I fooled you with this belly, right? So maybe you're thinking, why on earth would you move away from this stunning apartment and this stunning neighborhood? But I'll tell you why. We have found a 120 square meters apartment with a big outdoor space in a local neighborhood. It has 3 rooms and it's stunning. It's our style. We are ready to move because it's also cheaper than the one we are currently in. So, without further ado.
So, spoiler alert, it's not in Saldana. It's a completely different area and it's very new to us. And that is one of the things that worries me the most, is that we're going now to sign a contract on an apartment in an area we don't really know. And what I'm most excited about is getting the extra space. We need an office, and although Amalie isn't pregnant, that is something that is in the works, you know, it's within soon. You're not pregnant, but I mean, with
For me, the biggest worry is that we are gonna live further out of the city now, and I'm a little bit concerned if we are gonna get bored because we can't just walk into the city center anymore.
But that is a very good thing, in my opinion, because we need to stop going out for dinner all the time.
For me, what is the best thing is actually that we can be more stable now, having that extra room for an office and an extra room for a guest room / baby room. That makes it easier for us to actually stay there and feel home there because we can stay there for a long time. It's much more sustainable than the Saldana apartment. And also, I like the price more.
We are here in our new neighborhood. And the biggest problem about this is that there is no parking garage. You park on the street, it's free, but you have to look for it. And you have to, well, I guess, expect all the dents that will be coming. But I mean, that's how good the apartment is. I don't feel particularly good with this being our new life, but we just need to find something we can wrap around the car every time we park it.
So, we are in our new neighborhood.
And what's the name, Amalie? What is the area we're gonna live in?
Ajuda. We are moving to Ajuda.
And you know what? We haven't been in this area until we went to see this apartment that is just behind you guys, because this is literally across the road from the entrance to our new home.
When you are in Ajuda, you are in a village in the city. So walking around here is the perfect opportunity for you to learn Portuguese. Because a lot of people only speak a lot of people only speak Portuguese here, and we love that. Welcome guys to our new home. We are entering at 1 floor, but all this is inside our apartment. Come.
So this apartment is very unique in its construction, and it's easy to see that the owner has drawn this himself as a very talented architect, because yeah, look how the entrance is. You walk up of these stairs. So I guess it's the equivalent of second floor to live here. So no elevator, but stairs, but walking to second floor, easy.
One of the reasons we really like this apartment is that it has 2 spare rooms. So let's go check them out first. This room, which eventually will be our office, is quite big. It's so nice that you have all these tall ceilings in the entire apartment. Even though it makes a lot of noise, makes the acoustic, yeah, okay.
Ja, det er jo fordi der ikke er nogen møbler.
This is gonna be the guest room. It's almost identical to the other room, a little bit smaller, same storage, same windows, and this is where, when we one day get a little junior, it's gonna be in here. The bathroom hasn't been finished yet, but it's still here. Showers in here, and there's gonna be light in here, light there, clean toilet at some point. Everything is gonna be sharp.
I love the tiles in here.
I love them, the color. I am in love with the tiles here. This is actually gonna be the guest bathroom, so we'll show you ours later. One of the things that is so cool about this apartment is that the architect is a storage freak himself. He likes to hide away all the things that you don't want to watch or look at. In here, he has done the same. So that's gonna be a closet with hangers and everything, so you can hide away your wardrobe.
So the second thing that really dazzles you, I'd say, is that when you come in here, you have this open space here with 3 French terraces, and you have the sun lighting up your living room, because this is a living room. It's such a beautiful room, and when you look over here, you can see how open the whole construction is.
So you walk in here, up, and all the way up here.
So this is going to be the dining area right here, and we're talking about putting our couch here, and then maybe have a TV on the wall. The kitchen is right here, but Amalie will show you that.
Because the only thing you will be doing out here is making his gin and tonic. So the kitchen still needs some finishing because this apartment is brand new. Even though we have a big kitchen in our apartment that we live in now, this actually has much more storage. The highlight is up here, guys. Come on. Hello.
Up here, it's so bright that you need your sunglasses. And this is where the stairs ends, the top floor. So basically this apartment is a 2.5, it's a triplex, kind of, because you walk up to first floor and now we're at second floor. And this is why we had to have this apartment. Are you seeing what I'm seeing? An absolutely amazing room with a giant balcony and ocean view. It's a red bridge and crystal ray. We can see it from our new home. How about that? Is this real life?
Because it feels like a dream. We got 19 square meters of space out here. We also got a water source so we can have a little shower here. So now we can shower while looking at Tesha River and the blue sky.
And when you have the sunset, you have the bridge lit up by the evening sun and the colorful sky. It's gonna be a dream. I'm going to be drunk here every sunset. I mean, normally just this view here is, you know, out of our budget.
And even though a lot of you guys have been like, oh, you can find a lot cheaper stuff than what you have been looking at. You just did it all wrong. We looked at everything, but we only went out to see apartments that had a nice design, nice features, nice everything.
Drum roll, what are we paying for this? And we're paying 1,700 euros a month. That is 800 euros less than the other apartment, so a significant reduction in our monthly expenses.
Budget.
Obviously, it's not the same quality of, you know, kitchen and the bathroom, but it's still
up there.
It's still pretty good, and we get the extra space, we get the view,
and a really nice landlord.
That was a house tour, and
by the way, there is another bathroom here, but the workers are actually finishing up the lighting in there, so
yeah.
we can't show you.
But it's up here on the last floor, so we have the bedroom en suite. Isn't that sweet?
So that was a little walk through Ajuda.
Ajuda, which means help, and we feel like Ajuda is helpful these days. But
hilarious.
We're gonna go in depth with Ajuda in one of our neighborhood videos, but we just wanted to show you the atmosphere and the charmingness, because
that's what we love about this area.
It reminds me of less hilly Alfama.
To me, it seems more modern, like a little bit newer, but it's still a village within the city.
And then you have this church, Igreja Memoria, which means Church of Memories. And 5 minutes of walk from our new home, which leads us to another 5 minutes down to Belém. And that is probably going to be the go-to area when we want to have food, drinks,
whatever.
Yeah,
but let's go to Belém.
Yeah, we're hungry.
So I'm hungry. I haven't had anything yet.
I've had a little bit, but I'm hungry.
Let's go.
So here in Belém we have our favorite pastel de nata, pastel Belém, and we're probably gonna have them for breakfast every day. But now we're gonna go to a restaurant to have some lunch, and this place our new landlord showed us, and you just sit there with the view and enjoy a cold beer and hopefully good food. So this will be our car after 1 year of living in Ajuda. What the
So this just happened right now to our brand new car. So when we move here, there is no excuse for not going for a nice run. Also, it's a perfect little garden to sit and have a little picnic. Then you can finish off with a pastel de Belém.
Cheers!
Cheers to our new apartment and to Ajuda and to Belém. And God bless this beautiful view. I am very excited to see how life is gonna be here, because as we said, it's more quiet here compared to Saldanha.
So we're moving in the 1st of September, a good month from now. We will no longer be Saldanha citizens. Things are moving fast, and that brings us to another topic that we will get back to later. Our apartment. We need to find someone who might want to live there and take care of it, because we are gonna miss it. So a little bit more healthy food than usually, and I think that's going to be the theme for our new chapter here in Ajuda. It's a goddamn salad. One thing I will not miss about Saldanha is the never-ending queue here at Avenida de I actually never learned what the street name is here.
Avenida Republica.
No, it's not. A new chapter is about to start here at the Stay Classy block. And
we're excited to take you along for doing the interior and everything.
But as we mentioned earlier, this home here is for rent, so we might as well just put the word out on our platform and let you know that if you are moving to Lisbon or are living in Lisbon, you need a new home, this apartment is for rent. And
it's actually for rent from the 1st of September, and there are different opportunities, so let us know if you might be interested in this place.
Yeah, and just send an email on the email in the description, or just write to me on Instagram.
I think that was it from today.
I'm going to miss these nights here. I'm going to miss sitting at the kiosk down there with
me
Jazz.
too, a lot. Let us know what you think about the apartment. So yeah, thank you for watching. Ate loco.
And guys, if you want to get the full house tour of this apartment, it's right here. It's a house tour. Check out our apartment if you want to rent it. Or if you don't want to rent it. Ate Lego. Plan alto.
Ciao, ciao.
Never gets old.